The sf02 FS rail milling truck is the Linsinger Company's latest innovation as a rail milling truck and is the world's first. The vehicle is newly defined as a semi-lorry and semi-rail truck which can be used universally and flexibly. The road rail truck can reach its operating site on the railway quickly and flexibly via road. A total weight of 40 metric tons as the maximum per supporting frame cannot be exceeded in the case that this rail truck is converted into a road vehicle, whereby the bureaucracy that is associated with licenses for transport on roads can be obviated. The rail milling truck is converted from road to rail by manually turning a wheel on the operating site, and the tools are then mounted for the reprofiling process. Spare milling cutters and abrasive discs are naturally kept on board for changing directly at the section of track that has to be machined. Moving the vehicle onto the rails only takes a few minutes. A swiveling bogie makes the handling particularly easy. The sf02 FS road rail truck can be used on almost all gauges, which makes it ideally suitable for reprofiling the rails on sections of main railways, suburban railways, underground railways and points. Linsinger Austria's sf02 FS road rail truck is based on the experience gained from developmental work on rail milling trains over many years. It is equipped with 2 milling units and 2 grinding units, which are suitable for every rail profile. One important advantage is the fact that the complete machining work is ensured with only one pass over the rail, and that is done at a machining speed of up to 10 meters per minute, according to the track's condition. The fact that points can also be machined and reprofiled is a special new feature of the sf02 FS road rail vehicle. Linsinger Austria has mastered this highly technological challenge by applying its many years of experience. Linsinger Austria's expertise guarantees that the material is removed economically by means of flexible machining depths combined with extremely high precision of the railhead's cross profile and longitudinal profile, excellent machining tolerances and conservation of material. For example, no thermal damage is caused to the rail's microstructure by the milling and grinding processes. Milling shavings and grinding dust are completely sucked off and stored in the machine temporarily. No emissions arise whatsoever. There are no flying sparks at all and no danger of fire as a result. Linsinger Austria's sf02 FS rail milling vehicle can be used throughout the year. All of these aforementioned features enable the railway network's operator to achieve the long-term objectives of maintenance and repair. Wear on the railhead is reduced by up to 95% in this way, for example, and the rail's service life is increased by up to 300%. Furthermore, the process of removing the sf02 FS vehicle from the track only takes a few minutes after the work has been completed. The road rail truck offers great flexibility and practical handling, even for debunkering the milling shavings. The debunkering is dealt with rapidly, whether it be into a provided container or a mobile transporter. The rail is reprofiled with the highest level of workmanship and extraordinary flexibility. Linzinger Austria's sf02W FS rail milling vehicle is always up to date.